In this video, I am going to explain what is the scope of public finance. Public finance deals with the income and expenditure of the government. The money incurred to meet such expenditure is known as public expenditure. In order to meet the government public expenditure, it will mobilize revenue. The revenue is mobilized through different sources such as taxes, debt, and other means. Public finance deals with the revenue and expenditure of the government. And there are so many definitions. According to Professor Dalton, public finance is a subject which is concerned with the income and expenditure of public authorities. And according to Professor Finlay Siras, public finance is the study of principles underlying the spending and raising of funds by public authorities. And what is the scope of public finance? The scope of public finance can be divided into 6 components. One is public revenue, second one is public expenditure, third one public debt, and fourth one financial administration, fifth one fiscal policy, sixth one federal finance. So what is meant by public revenue? Public revenue deals with the sources of government revenue. Generally, the government revenue can be classified as tax revenue and non-tax revenue. Tax revenue is said to be an important source of government revenue. Classification of taxes, tax burden, incidence and effect of taxation or production, employment and income, all can be discussed in public revenue. Second one is public expenditure. What is meant by public expenditure? Public expenditure refers to the spending of public revenue for the purpose of various development activities. How much amount is spent to be state on different overheads and the norms to be considered while making public expenditure. The impact of public expenditure on production, employment and income is also analyzed. Third one is public debt. So whenever the expenditure is more than the revenue, there is a probability that the government has to meet this expenditure, so it has to make the public debt. The government tries to mobilize the income through tax and non-tax resources so as to meet the public expenditure. But public debt deals with the ways and means of borrowing, repayment of debt, of burden of debt and the economy. And the fourth one is financial administration. Financial administration refers to the set of activities performed by the government with respect of money. So budget preparation and auditing of expenditure are important ingredients of financial administration. And what is the fiscal policy? Fiscal policy refers to the taxation policy which is to be implemented by the government so as to attain optimum benefits. The policy emphasizes the best ways and means of utilizing the fiscal instruments so as to achieve the objectives of the government. So how fiscal policy helps to achieve the economic development of the country. And the last one is federal finance. Federal finance deals with the sharing of taxes and distribution of resources among central and state governments. Where